Hi guys, what's up? Welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, hi, this is Anshu. I create content around beauty, makeup, skincare, fashion, hair care, anything related to beauty you will find out in this channel. And my niche is drugstore. I love me a good drugstore makeup. So if you want to know some awesome drugstore recommendations, please do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Turn on the notification bell, like this video, share my videos with your friends and families. Now without further ado, let's get started. So today I'm going to be doing another that underrated kind of thing. These are the underrated makeup, I think, which are like less than rupees 300, but they perform so much at like high end. So I have done this before also on this channel, where I have talked about some underrated makeup, and now I have all the makeup on my face, so I thought, why not just let's talk about them. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. So the first is this Illuminati base. This is a relatively new launch in the market. So this is by Mars, and they make such a good packaging, like product, everything. So I really like this Illuminati base. If you want a MAC strobe key but you cannot afford this, you cannot afford that, I can also. So this is a good alternative. This is the shade. It is such a pretty luminous base, but it has no chunky shimmers. So it's really natural, and I really love the finish of this. My shade is Gold Beam, and this is just 250 rupees, so a really great product. Okay, I don't remember if I have talked about this concealer. So this is the Wet n Wild concealer. This is relatively really old in the market, but I think this is such a good concealer. Medium to buildable coverage, and the price point is awesome. The shade range is awesome. So if you want a good budget friendly concealer, you can check this range. And I love this so much that I have also used this up, and this I have taken out the stopper to take all the products. This is my Project Pan concealer. Also I love it so much. So yeah, highly recommend you this one. My shade is medium tawny in this one, so if you are around my skin tone, you can try this shade. So okay, next is this foundation. This is the Insight Stay Matte liquid foundation, and this is the packaging. They are kind of duping some high-end international packaging, I don't know, but this is really good, you guys. This is the foundation I have. This is really full coverage. So if you want a full coverage matte foundation, you can try this, and this is just 210 rupees. The only con with Insight is their shade range is really pathetic. They have 6 shade, but the quality is so good. I wish they extend the shade range of this one. Otherwise the product is really good, and I will highly recommend you can check that short video. I have used all this makeup in short videos for 1 minute review, and this is a really good foundation. Not just for the price, I think this is a really good foundation in general. Okay, the next also by Insight. This is their dew stick. So one side is highlighter, and one side is like bronzer. So let me just swatch. The highlighter is a really pretty gold champagne sort of shade, and this is a contour. So this is the contour, a really good cool tone brown on me, and this is the highlighter is really pretty. So this is the highlighter. Look at the glow. So really natural, just does not have any chunky particles, and the sheen is so pretty. I think this is such a good product. And this and the primer by Insight was just 240 rupees. So you can do the math how much this cost me, and this is such a good product. And like for 120 or something rupees, this is the best cream cheek products out in there in the market, and you're getting 2 product for just 120 something rupees, which is amazing. Okay, so next is this Mars. Again, a Mars product. This is their I Belong in Your Purse eyeshadow palette. I know they are not, I will not call them really underrated, but all the big YouTubers, I have not seen them using this, and this is so good. Even the lightest shade is really pigmented. These are really pigmented eyeshadows. This, see, the pigmentation is so good with this one, and you can check my short videos for the demos, and these are so good. Let me just swatch 2-3 shades. They are really pigmented, buttery smooth, and the mattes are really blendable. The shimmers are so blinding, and I think this is really pretty. And I think the Mars shadows, again, regardless of the price, such a good packaging, such a good formula. Comes with mirror also, and the mirror is also so good quality. So yeah, on and all, this is the best eyeshadow palette. In the 9 pan, I've tried the Swiss Beauty one. I think I like this more than the Swiss Beauty one. The quality, the packaging is so good, the quality is really good, so I will highly recommend you to try this one out. And when I bought this, just was 200 rupees, so the quality is really good regardless of the price again. So, next are these two Insights lip product. So can you guys see? I hope you can see. I have used, this is a new product and I have almost used this gloss so much, and this is just 80 rupees. This is by Insight and this is so good. This is mind boggling that this is just 80 rupees and the quality is so good. Really, this can beat any high-end lip gloss for sure. And let me just swatch. These are really pigmented gloss, so if you are looking for a pigmented gloss, you can try this. And I use this, you know, on regular basis instead of lip balm and any lipstick, and this, the shine is so good, the pigmentation is so good. So if you want a pigmented gloss, this is a shade Temptation. There are so many shades in this range, you can check them out, but really the quality of this gloss is really good. Regardless of the price, I will recommend this. Just 80 rupees, no smell, and you know, but you know, no smell. If you are sensitive to smell, you will really like this range of Insight. And now their you know, their lipstick, this is so good. This is the shade Red Ocean, and this is such a pretty red, and the formula of this lipstick is really unique. It's a hybrid between a liquor lipstick and a bullet lipstick. I think the formula is so good, slightly thick on the thick side, but it is not drying. So if you are a person with dry lips like me, you will really love this range. You know, not at all a drying lipstick, and just 100 rupees, and the quality of this lip product is really good. I think this can beat any high-end lip product. I really like them. Okay, so the last is, so yeah, this is the makeup fixer by Swiss Beauty, and I will try to show you the mist. See, the mist is really fine, and this is such a good natural sort of a makeup fixer. This will not make your face look dewy, this will not make your face look matte. It's slightly on the middle side, so it's really good if you don't want to change you know, the way your base is looking. If it's matte, it will be matte. Like today I have a matte foundation, it is looking matte, and if you have a dewy base, that will remain dewy. So if you don't want to change your base, like the way your base is looking, you will also love it. And I think this is such a good makeup fixer. Usually the cheap makeup fixer are, you know, really bad smelling. Alcohol, like this smell like citrus or something. I like the fragrance. It's not, I don't like the alcohol smell. This smell was good, and I don't think so they have alcohol. I will see. Yeah, I don't think so they have alcohol, and I think it is like really making my base look long lasting and smooth. And I will highly recommend you for, you know, less than 200 rupees. I think you are getting such a good fixer. The mist is so fine, and the product is, I think, really good. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you find these kind of videos helpful, because I think these makeup products are really good regardless of the price, and they are affordable. That is, you know, just a more con. They are not just makeup which is good for the price. I think these makeup products are good regardless of their price point. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you find this video helpful. Please do not forget to like this video, share my videos with your friends and family, and please consider subscribing if you are seeing me for the very first time. And I shall see you in my next one. Bye.